Hi, it's nice to see you again in Enchantment with Angel. So, are you ready for today's enchanting recipe? It's Kerala chicken roast. Let's get started. Let's start by marinating the chicken. To 1 kg of chicken, add half a spoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, some salt according to taste, 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix this well and set it aside for about an hour to marinate well. Heat about quarter cup of oil. Add half a spoon of mustard seed and let it splatter. And once done, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this, add thinly sliced 8 onions along with 3 green slit chilies. I know it's a lot of onion, but this is what is going to bring out the taste of this roast. Now when the onion is turned golden brown, it's time to add the crushed ginger and garlic. Saute this for a minute. To this, add a sliced tomato. Fry till it's well cooked. Now it's time to add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Fry this for a minute and then add the marinated chicken. Mix this well along with the onion. Cover and cook the chicken till it's tender. And don't forget to stir in between. So once done, add a teaspoon of any chicken masala you like and give it a nice mix. And your tasty chicken roast is ready. Or if only you can smell the aroma through the screen, you will surely fall in love with this recipe. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye. Happy cooking.